All right, so let's try to solve the quiz week 7, right? So let's check the first question. So question number 1 is, what is the difference between fixed resources and versus variable resources? So we just talk about the very first slide about the fixed resources and variable resources, so you guys can easily find the contents and solve these questions, right? So let's look over the question number 2. So question number 2, fill the whole blanks of the third column. So as you see, the third column is the marginal product, right? So the marginal product is additional product for one worker when the worker is added. So the total product for the first line is 0. And the total product, the second row is 5. And we can say that the marginal product is the result of the calculation of this box minus this box, right? It can that with this calculation, we can say that the marginal product is the additional product for one worker's added. Okay? Right? So you can easily fill the whole blanks of the marginal product column. Right, so let's check the next one. Okay. So after fill the whole blank of the chart from question number 2, draw the 2 graphs that can be fitted the blank spaces in the plot on the right side. So you guys maybe easily fill the blanks from question number 2, that is the chart of this one. After fill these blanks, and then just draw the graph that can be fitted this plot, right? This plot is empty, and you guys should draw the graph can be fitted in this plot, which is, let's check, this in this graph, in this upper plot, the axis X is input and axis X is output, right? So then the whole variable of the axis X, which is input, is these numbers, right? And the axis Y is these numbers. So the first combination is 0 and 0, then 0, 0. You can point here. And second point is 1, 5, right? Then you can point 1, 5. And third one is 2, 15. You can point 2, 15. And fourth one is 3, 20. You can point 3, 20. So here, like this, you can draw the graph with the plot these whole combinations, right? Just dot, 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 and you guys can easily draw these whole curves with these whole plots. Okay, so the plot below this, the below plot, about the below plot, you can see that the axis X is quantity of labor, right? And the axis Y is the marginal product, right? So the quantity of labor is exactly same with input, okay? It's exactly same with workers. So you guys cannot confuse with this word is different. It is just the same word, right? So that what is the marginal product? If you guys can find these whole numbers in the blanks, you guys can easily draw the whole graphs and curves in this empty plot, right? Just find the combination with these workers, okay? So, right, so this is all the things I want to share you in this week. And I really want to tell you guys about that. These concept of diminishing returns and the product and function, especially the diminishing returns of marginal returns, is really important. So if you guys are not stick with this concept after watching my video, just keep watching over and again, because it is really important so that if you guys are not well understand this concept in this week, then you guys are really will really experience the hard time for the next next steps, right? I can say that how hard you guys will meet, but it will be hard, right? So I will teach you guys about the concept of short-term competitions, short-run competitions. And if you guys are not understanding that this concept of diminishing returns, then it will be really hard. So I want to tell you, just look over and over again this concept if you guys are not well understand these concepts that we learned today. All right? Okay, so then see you next week. And I will hope you guys are well understand this concept. All right? So bye-bye.